Hey guys, it's Caleb from ModInfinite. Thanks for tuning into this week's video. Today we're going to be showing you the Aero chassis mount front splitter kit for the BRZ FR-S and 86 platform. We have my good friend Parker's Rocket Bunny V2 here that we're going to be showing you the install on. So first we're going to show you guys what you'll get in the box. You'll get 2 of your crash bar top bracket, all your nuts, bolts, and extra hardware. Your lower brackets that are also height adjustable, crash bar support bracket, side support brackets and plates, front leading edge guard, and 2 stickers. Last but not least, you have your splitters. Now the really cool thing with Aero splitter kit is that you get 2 sizes. You can get the standard size, which works really well with OEM bumpers plus a small polyurethane lip. Or you can get the optional larger race size. Now this sticks out 4.5 inches further than the standard size splitter. It works really well with the Rocket Bunny V2 front bumper plus canards configuration. It works really well with the OEM bumper plus aggressive lip such as the Gritty lip. And it also works really well with the C West front bumper. Alright, now let's move on to the install. So here are the tools you're going to need. A couple of extensions just to make your life easier. A size 10, 12, 14 wrench. A size 10, 12, 14 deep socket, a ratchet, Allen key set, a flathead just to remove those annoying pop clips, a set of clutters, and measuring tape. Alright, so first we're going to start by removing the front bumper. Once we've done that, we're going to disconnect the horn wiring harness, which is located below the crash bar. Alright guys, so normally there's a plastic undertray portion right here. You're going to want to remove that. There's some couple bolts underneath. Parker's car doesn't have it because... Next we're going to remove the 2 10mm bolts holding in the windshield washer reservoir. Make sure to take it out of its mounting point and move it off to the side. Remove the 4 pop clips holding in the plastic trim to the top of the crash bar. Next, we're going to remove the 12mm bolts holding in the crash bar. There will be 2 on the bottom and 2 on top for each side. We've loosely placed the crash bar bracket in position along with the bottom bracket, making sure the bend for the top bracket is facing the inside of the car. Once the 2 brackets are in position, we're going to sandwich them in between the crash bar and the frame. It really helps if you have a buddy holding up the crash bar so that you can line up the bolts. So this is what the top bracket will look like on the passenger side once the crash bar is mounted. Again, the same for the driver's side, and to make things easier, make sure that the window washer reservoir is moved off to the side. Now we're going to take the side support bracket and sandwich it between these 2 large washers. You're going to use your Allen key and a 10mm ratchet to loosely bolt it in place. On the driver's side, we're going to take the crash bar support bracket and mount it onto the radiator support like so, using a 10mm socket to bolt in the bottom and a 14mm socket to bolt in the top. Now for the passenger side, we're going to flip the bracket to clear the radiator drain plug. Next, we're going to line up the brackets with the holes on the splitter and use a 14mm socket to bolt it all up. Make sure you go through and check that you have all the hardware set in place. Here we're putting the bumper on to make sure we've got the height of the splitter correct. Once you're happy with the height, go ahead and go through and tighten all the bolts. Bolt back in the window washer reservoir with the 2 10mm bolts. Put in the 4 pop clips that hold in the plastic trim to the crash bar, and make sure to reconnect the horn harness underneath the crash bar. Put the bumper back on for the final time and use a 10mm socket and Allen key to mount up your end plates. Last but not least, you're going to take your splitter leading edge guard and push it in firmly with the palm of your hand. Alright guys, we're all done with the installation. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. We had some extra time, so we added these Daiyoshihara version 2 canard. The whole canard and front splitter setup transforms the entire front end of the car. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Make sure to follow us on all our social media, Facebook and Instagram at ModInfinite. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. The whole splitter kit transforms the whole front end of the car. The whole splitter canard assembly transforms the entire look of the car. Why is it taking? Wait. Oh yeah. So I don't know what it's centered because it's taking so long.
Okay, I'll go faster.
Yeah, because I was like, what do I do? Because the camera's like.
Okay, I'll go faster.